Alright, today I'm going to tell you about this game. It's called Project Bird Taggers, and it's on itch.io. But in a couple days, it'll be added on App Lab. Yeah, it'll be in a long time. And also, you should download this game. It's so fun. Yeah, there's gonna be a new update to fix some bugs. You know, like I'm floating in the air. That's just a glitch for me. And this game's so fun because it has different types of music, and yeah. Yeah. And also, this game gives you long arms, right? Yeah, it gives you like steam long arms. I just have that in my boundary now. I don't care. This game has long arms, steam long arms, not quest long arms. Let's check out the city. The city's W. It's just I'm floating in the air. Hold on. Yeah. There. And you should check out the city. Yeah, there. Okay, see you, owner. Okay, yeah, there. And yeah, that's it. I'll show more content on this. Trust me, download this game right